大家好，欢迎你们来到 Exam Race. Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Race. Today we will study family members' names in Chinese. 现在开始吧 Let's start. 父母 It means parents. 父母妈妈 It means mother. Mama. Mother in Chinese is also known as mǔqin. Papa. It means father. Father in Chinese also known as fùqin. 儿子 means son. 兄弟 It means brother. 兄弟哥哥 It means older brother. 哥哥弟弟 It means younger brother. 女儿 It means daughter. 女儿姐妹 It means sister. 姐妹 older sister. 姐姐妹妹 It means younger sister. 妹妹丈夫 It means husband. 妻子 It means wife. 叔叔 It means uncle. 叔叔阿姨 It means aunt or uncle's wife. 爷爷 It means grandfather, which means Papa the 父亲. Father's father. 奶奶 grandmother, which is Papa the 母亲, which means father's mother. 祖父母 It means grandparents, which is maternal grandparents. 外公 It means maternal grandfather, which is Mama the 父亲, which is mother's father. 外婆 It means maternal grandfather, which is Mama the 母亲, which is mother. 伯伯 It means father's elder brother, which is Papa the 大哥. 姑父 It means father's sister's husband, which is 姑姑的丈夫. 舅舅 It means mother's brother, which is 妈妈的兄弟. 姨父 It means mother, sister, husband, which is 姨妈的丈夫。姑姑，姑姑 it is father's sister, which is 爸爸的姐妹。伯母，伯母 it is father's older brother's wife, which is 婆婆的妻子。婶婶，婶婶 it is father younger brother's wife, which is 叔叔的妻子。姨妈，姨妈 it means mother's sister, which means 妈妈的姐妹。舅妈，舅妈 it means mother's brother's wife, which is 舅舅的妻子。表妹姐，表妹姐 which is cousin sister。表妹姐，表妹 will be younger cousin sister. 表姐 will be elder cousin sister. 表弟哥，表弟哥 it is cousin brother. 表弟 will be younger cousin brother. 表哥 will be elder cousin brother. So we have learned a lot of things in today's class. Now let's do some revision. Mama, mama, which means mother. Papa, papa, which means father. 儿子，儿子 which means son. 兄弟，兄弟 which means brother. 哥哥，哥哥 it means elder brother. 弟弟，弟弟 it means younger brother. 女儿，女儿 it means daughter. 姐妹，姐妹 it means sister. 姐姐，姐姐 it means elder sister. 妹妹，妹妹 it means younger sister. 丈夫，丈夫 it means husband. 妻子，妻子 it means wife. 叔叔，叔叔 it means uncle. 阿姨，阿姨 it means aunt. 爷爷，爷爷 it means grandfather. 奶奶，奶奶 it means grandmother. 父母，父母 it means parents. 祖父母 it means maternal grandparents. 外公，外公 it means maternal grandfather. 外婆，外婆 it means maternal grandmother. 伯伯，伯伯 It means father's elder brother, 伯伯. 姑父, 姑父. It means father, sister, husband. 舅舅, 舅舅. It means mother's brother. 姨父, 姨父. It means mother, sister's husband. 姑姑, 姑姑. It means father's sister. 伯母, 伯母. It means father's elder brother's wife. 婶婶, 婶婶. It means father's younger brother's wife. 姨妈, 姨妈. It means mother's sister. 舅妈, 舅妈. It means mother's brother's wife. 表妹姐, 表妹姐. It means cousin sister. 表弟哥, 表弟哥. It means cousin brother. So we all have performed very well in today's class. Now see you all in the next class. 再见.